Each element has atoms that can bond with each other to form ring, chain, and network structure. Again, this is the definition we use to describe carbon in organic chemistry. What is the number of electrons shared in a multiple carbon-carbon bond in one molecule of one pentan? So we want to take a look here. We want to look at this code right here, Y and E. So if we look at Y and E, we can see that this is an alkyne. An alkyne has triple bonds. So if we look closely at a triple bond, we're going to see that what they want to know is what is the number of electrons shared in a multiple carbon-carbon bond. So we have carbon, and we have another carbon, and we are sharing 3 bonds in between because it's pentan. So therefore, that's 3 bonds. Each bond is represented by 2 electrons. So if there's 3 bonds, then there's 3 times 2. That's equal to 6. So therefore, we have 6 electrons being shared. Butanol, butanone, and diethyl ether have different properties because the molecule of each compound differ in their what? So looking at table R, we can see that butanol, butanone, and diethyl ether are basically functional group. We can so as a result, they have different properties because they belong in different functional groups. What occurs when the magnesium atom become a magnesium ion? So first off the bat, magnesium atom or any atom will always have a 0 charge. Okay? And when it becomes a magnesium ion, you can see that as a magnesium ion, the magnesium ion has a positive 2 charge. Okay? So therefore, that means that as the electrons are lost, the magnesium goes from a Mg 0 to become an Mg positive 2. So therefore, in this case, the only possible answer is electrons are lost and the oxidation numbers increases. So your answer is 3. Energy is required to produce a chemical change doing what? So first of all, the key word here is chemical change. So which one is going to undergo a chemical change? Well, boiling and melting is a phase change, and a phase change is a physical change. Chromatography is a separation method, so there is no chemical change here. So by elimination, the only possible answer will be electrolysis. The reaction of an alkenious acid with an alkenious base produces water and what? Now this is a formula that you have to have known. You have to know that the acid plus base will produce water plus salt. Okay? And so the only possible answer is salt. One acid-base theory defines an acid as what? So an acid has an H in it, for example, HCl. So therefore, what can it give away? It can give away this H. Okay, so therefore, it is an H donor. So the only answer here is 4. Which phrase describes the decay mode and the half-life of K37 and K42? So our keyword here is decay mode and half-life. Okay, so we're going to have to go to table N to get that. So in table N, we can see that we're going to look for K37, and we're going to look for K42. And we can see that they have different half-life, and they also have different decay mode. So therefore, we can say different decay mode and different half-life. Which particle has a mass that's approximately equal to the mass of a proton? So let's go take a look at the mass of a proton. So the mass of a proton is about 1, which is the top number. And we know also that on here, the mass of an alpha is 4. So that can't be it. and the mass of a beta is 0, and the mass of a positron is 0, and then the mass of a neutron is 1. So the correct answer in this case will be the mass of a neutron. What change occurred during a nuclear fission reaction? Now this you just have to know that in a nuclear fission reaction, matter is converted into energy. So that is 4.